Shalom, Bruchim Habaim. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to say to turn on and turn off, for example, the TV. Let's go. So we start with to turn on. To turn on is lehatlik. And this here is the root. Dalet, Lamet, Kuf. And delek means fuel. Interesting. Okay, that was a side comment. Now we start. Lehatlik. This is, yes, Hifil. What is the character of Hifil? The character of Hifil is most of the time to make somebody do something. So this means if we have a pa'al verb with the same root, and in this case it is to burn, now Hifil would be to make burn. That is in proper English to ignite or to turn on. And here we are in Hifil with lehatlik. Okay? These are the basic rules that I also explain in my book. And of course, in the 90-day course, we do this in detail so that you never forget it again. Now we will come to the conjugation of to turn on, which is matlik, matlika, matlikim, matlikot. Great. And here is the first sentence. Why don't you switch on the light? Lama ata lo matlik et haor? Lama ata lo, why don't you switch on matlik, we are talking to a man, et haor, the light. We always need et because it's a direct object. So et haor. Those of you who are on my newsletter, you have already received in your inbox the full conjugation of both verbs that we're going to talk about in this video. So turn on and turn off. And the others who have not received it because you're not on my newsletter, you can sign up for my newsletter on the homepage of my website. And then you get these kind of PDFs in the future as well. Okay, we move on to turn off. Turn off is lechabot. What is the root of lechabot? Kaf bet hey. Okay, why is it hey? Because every root that ends on hey forms an infinitive that ends on ot. This is a given. That is another thing that I explain in my books. So, and of course also in the course. So, when you see a verb that ends on ot, the root is with hey. So here you have already an indication. Now, this is what? This is PL. Well, hold on. We have just learned that we go from pa'al to hifil. We burn and then we turn on. So why wouldn't that be the same logic for turning off? Is this logic not valid any longer? Well, let's see. Let's have a look at the binyanim of that root. As I said, kaf bet hey is the root. And we have pa'al and PL. That is already extremely rare. In 99% of the cases, verbs are in either pa'al or in PL. There are exceptions, like for example, when something is more intense from, I don't know, jumping and bouncing. Yes, but these are these are other exceptions. So we are here in an exceptional case. Now, pa'al is to stop burning, to go out. That is active, the fire goes out. PL is to turn off a light or a machine. So the difference here is that in pa'al, the fire goes out by itself. Now in PL, somebody else makes it stop burning, extinguishes it. Now question, why is this then PL? Make somebody do something to stop burning, for example. Why is it PL? Honest answer, I don't know. It's an exceptional case. This root here is the exception on all levels. Let's accept it and let's move on. So, in PL we have lechabot and in pa'al we have lichbot. I know, it gets worse, yes, because it's so extremely similar. PL is lechabot. Every PL verb starts with a. This is how it is. And we have to end on ot because of the hey of the root. Now, pa'al, here we don't really notice any difference because lichbot, meaning I, and then at the end O is what every par-al verb, regular par-al verbs, have as vowels. Lis, gor, lich, bot. So here is no difference. Okay, lechabot, PL, this is the one that we will look at now because lechabot means to turn off. Here comes the conjugation, mechabe, mechaba, mechabim, mechabot. And now our sentence is, turn off the light, Daniela. Oh, we need the imperative. Okay, so to a guy it is kabe, to a woman kabi, and to a group of people kabu. Again, turn off the light, Daniela. Kabi et haor, Daniela. Turn off, kabi, et haor, the light, and also here et, because we have a direct object. So, kabi et haor, Daniela. Okay, we have come already to an end of this video. I hope you liked it, I hope you learned something, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Nashikot, shalom.